What is Cinderella Solution? Cinderella Solution is a plan which combines weight loss with very specific exercises. These exercises are not cardio exercises. Rather, they are very unique, which contains lots of fat in that part of the body and the women want to lose weight. In particular, the exercises described in the system that go beyond the abdominal tissue, buttocks, and hips. According to the manufacturer of the system, Carly Donovan said there are 3 hormones responsible for the weight gain of a woman. They are estrogens, cortisol, and insulin. Cinderella Solution Review. Many women have difficulty in losing weight for various reasons. If you want to get rid of those extra pounds, it's important to find a program that works for you. It is important to show some of them with different options. In this article, we will take a closer look at Cinderella Solution, which has become extremely popular among women trying to lose weight. Carly Donovan, she is the creator of this system. Like many others who found extra kilos, Carly fought for her weight loss, although she ate a raw, low-carbohydrate diet. It did not work, so she was looking for something that worked and she prompted the system called Cinderella Solution. According to this solution, the system has a 2-level which allows you to lose weight without boring, recurrent cardiovascular disease and leaves no carbohydrates, and so everyone likes to eat. How does Cinderella Solution work? Cinderella Solution is a 28-day program consisting of 2 phases. They start with the Ignite phase. 14 days to eat 3 meals a day. These dishes are written by the author of the program. It uses food combinations that have been proven to regulate natural hormones and help you to lose weight. The second stage is the initial stage. At this stage, you can enjoy 4 meals a day. Each food was reorganized to create special food combinations. These are the same food combinations that Carly Donovan used to lose 84 pounds over years ago. This program is also helping to lose your weight as quickly as possible. Benefits of Cinderella Solution. Number 1, healthier body. With this program, you will receive a series of recipes that will help you to prepare tasty and nutritious meals for a healthier body. Number 2, fast weight loss. This comprehensive program helps you to quickly and effectively destroy your extra weight. Number 3, scientifically reliable. All the information, tips and advice in this handbook is based on scientific evidence and comprehensive medical research. Number 4, works for everyone. One of the best features of this product is that it is suitable for almost every overweight woman. Some pros of Cinderella Solution. Cinderella Solution states that user does not have to attend any exercise until they follow this training plan. It also includes a workout plan which focuses on the parts of the body in which most women want to lose inches and gain muscle tone. You do not follow any restrictive food diet. For example, you won't have to go completely carb-free. This system uses a lot of food pairs to help you achieve your weight loss goals. This training plan was developed by the fitness coach. It provides 60 days money-back guarantee. Some cons of Cinderella Solution. If you ignore the given information, you will surely not get a better result. The Cinderella Solution is available only online. This system is not designed to lose weight. It is engineered to promote rapid, yet safe weight loss by using tactics that heal from the inside out. Get it now. Click the link in the description.